Watch it. Watch it. Food people. Sit here people. Roof gone. Just one have
Jamaican people.
love it. Cho.
I'm devastated.
Look on these people. If you don't live on the ground for seat,
you won't believe. Oh, it come on.
Well, this cancer is still black. Are they two before drop down?
Whoa. Whoa. Plus you can hear and see, you know, the elder, him roof gone and oh, look here. Nail, sink, food, water.
Two before.
Oh, that Mel. Aye, wagwan, fire. Bless you. Yeah, man, that's how I say, man. I know, man. Art of love, man. Watch your star, man. Cha. Light pole down, my people. Okay, so we are turning on this road right here. Going down. Whoa, look at the roof.
yeah.
Roof. If you can imagine how lush this was at one point now. And whole team, yeah man.
Boss lady there too.
Alright, boss lady, cooler man.
Mandel Foundation guys, you support the thing. The sister would out there put in the work, real work. I won't do this for clothes, I won't do this for fame or anything. If I do it from my art, you see me? All over there, we do it.
Yeah. Mandel Foundation.
Mandel Foundation, and just link up people and support.
Yeah, we just look on some of the damages and the way people, you know, reaching it, we are getting into the affected areas. Oh my people, this is what it is, heading into St. Elizabeth. We're not there as yet my people, but as you can see, it is not looking good so far. It's not looking good so far. We have a down light pole right here. Look at the garbage there, and all of these came down with water, people. Yeah, this road was flooded. Yeah, then I tell you, everybody hear me say it in the video.
So,
Light pole down, my people. Oh. Life rough out here, so see me, you know, true, it not mash up like that, you know. Because them not no water still, and them not no internet. Watch our next pole you lean. Obviously that will happen still whenever the pole or one pole down. It might cause we don't call it chain reaction, yeah. Look over here, people. This turn a swamp area, swamp land. I don't know when this is going to even change. Like, seriously, look at that. The police them come up here now. John, the boss stuck, bumper pop off star. Chacha youth, this is crazy. John, people, this is what I'm doing upon the wheel star. Watch out.
Lock your wheel right.
Watch your star, man. Chacha. Chacha, God. Yes, Miller. Alright. How can I help? What is it, babe? To record.
Don't move it. Just turn over and take your time. Take your time, go. Take time. Bumper good, man. Just take your time, come back.
Watch your foot in a general. Watch your foot in a general. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Can't manage for nothing got to nobody, you know.
Try go forward. Go forward. Don't throw a little bit. Don't throw a little bit. Keep it up to your ear.
As you can see, my people, the car got stuck in a deep pothole.
So we had to get some assistance to remove it, and we had to tie it to the truck. So massive respect to all the police officers who assisted us in removing it, and every single person who were there helping us. So big up to you if you're watching this. Yeah man, camera say respect.
Yeah man, this a car good brother, I check this you know. I'm looking at oil leak out. No oil not supposed to leak out.
Cause some black something need there, or maybe I chew in our own. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
You have special officer?
No, we may have it. People we stuck our outside guys. We stuck our outside again. We have to feed the people and we not left for the people them. Big man thing. We stuck our outside again.
Oh, it's an accident. Yeah.
Look at this, man. We're reaching the devastation, you know, my people. Whoa. Welcome to, what is?
St. Elizabeth.
No, west what? Northwest, Northwest
St. Elizabeth.
Northwest St. Elizabeth. People, whoa. Already look away, my people. Already don't look so good, my people. Go over there, so. Yeah, but yeah.
No leaf not upon the tree them.
No leaf not upon the tree them, people. The tree them beer. God bless. Oh, my people. They see us right now. Look at this in Jamaica, yeah. I wanna reach nowhere. Look on the hill. The mountain dry. I do some 1 and 2 patch of green area, green grass or whatever. Whoa. And feel the heat. Jeez, I feel the heat. No breeze, no tree, no there, I'm telling you. I say down here I go hot. Where I go on really? Well, we're turning back, my people. I don't know where we're going right now. But we're turning back. Okay, so we're turning on this road right here. Going down on this road here, people. Okay, so this is where we're going.
Oh, wow.
Power lines down, people. All around. Power lines are down. There's not going to be any electricity down here for probably months, people. Probably months. Yeah, we took the 2 crackers a while ago. The soup place, yeah. Right up on the front, yeah, so. Whoa, up on the church, yeah. Flatten. Look at this church, people. Yo, there's so much destruction down here, people. And I don't think we reach into the worst part. Wonder how them are gonna rebuild this. Yo, this crazy. This is going to need a couple $1 trillion. I don't know, I don't know how certain things work, but this is going to need a lot of money. Whoa, look at this, my people. This was one of the main roads, you know. And look at it. And everywhere looking at the mountain, it is brown. Brown. We're heading into Alan Bamboo area, and as you can see, my people, Alan Bamboo is no more. And I don't know if it's going to regrow and look like what it was before. But it is totally destroyed, my people. Just take a look. These are some of the badly affected areas we are driving through in St. Elizabeth. And if you look to the right, that is a container that is flipped onto its side. And there is still unsettled stagnant water, which will become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So the place is just looking dry and parched. Devastation is real, my people, right around.
Pure madness.
Where we go, bro?
Or on the West Falls, no community around them.
So we are go up in the community here now to see if we can find anybody in need. So we are see if we can help out anyone up this side here. Yes, look away, man. Trees and trees, no leaves really on the tree.
I mountain this so we did see now.
Yeah, trees are basically empty.
Dry.
Trees are basically empty. Look over that side there. Right.
Over there so.
Over that.
Yeah. All them people in a fret to see come down upon their house.
See one here? I'm rocking in the road. This roll off a hill. Well, people, I think this community is called YS, I guess, in St. Elizabeth. And
I don't see nobody around there in need.
I don't say we don't see nobody. House is mashed down on the place. So I remember, you know, some of these communities aren't being attended to, you know. Probably no one came around here before. We are the first ones. Oh, this is a bully back home. How they make it through.
Them in a open unless some would have
Fly
fly.
and lick them, yeah. But breeze I can't lick them way and wash
A
them.
choke if the breeze a turn over container.
I probably had the breeze and the water.
Oh, that's a bar and shop. Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look here. Oh, people. Devastation is real. Devastation is real. Yo. You know, long ass on them tree I got take before them really start spring back leaf and limb. Cause the background of the mountain dry. Jeez,
It one bad man.
we going bad and we not see nothing yet. You go some place it look worse than this. Yo, I tell you it's rough. People them want water, this, that, all type of something. My God, it's rough. I hope on a house up there say it lows. Some of it roofing. If we never tell you say this was Jamaica, my people, you wouldn't believe. But it is Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa in St. Elizabeth. No joke. Devastation is real out here, my people. Devastation is real. Yeah, I see people in the house over there. So. Look at this, my people. Sinking on the road. Oh, I have to take my time drive, I say, you know, cause watch out. Look at this. Look at this. I know star Jamaica, my homeland. My homeland. This not nice. This not nice at all. Where I go past? You can't stop yourself. Yes, my general. Blessings, blessings. Whoa, look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Yeah, so we just passed a few people right there handing out some donations or some relief supply. That's the man I look, you know, like you want something. Yeah, but the place is really destroyed, my people. Really destroyed. Blessings, blessings, alright? Oh, finally I see some greenery, people. Finally I see a little greenery. Yeah. Oh, what that down there, so? Watch this, you know. Going over some down power lines, my people. It is serious. You see how far we're going to right now. Going on this side. The TJ and the crew out and about. You have a young boy and a young girl and you can come here, say no.
Because we have to hear because we don't want to take it if we know. If you understand, we don't want. Yeah, for other person might need.
Yeah. Mandel Foundation.
Mandel Foundation, and just link up people and support. You see me? And reach out people that support people from overseas that support our make us see how the money I got to good use people there. And I sent Elizabeth because I promise I sent it where I will come the next time. I'm Antigua Bay and Chilani.
Alright.
Yeah, that's the next stop guys. So we are surrounding the whole place, the whole of them place and mash up.
Yeah man, for real man.
The whole place and do what we have to do.
Yeah man. You know what really? Nail, zinc, food, water. Two before. Boy, it's rough when I see what I go on down here. I not tell no lie. I don't know when this is going to come back.
Yeah, we are going down. That's how we come all the way around. So we are go back, go all the way up. So just take care of yourself.
Yeah man, for real man, and hold it strong. We sorry say we never have more resources. We are trying to do what we have, you know, for try to help out. Yeah man, so bless up on yourself, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Anything you want to say? Or no? On a blank out right, you know?
I can't blank out.
Alright, cool man.
At the end of the day, you understand, regardless, you know, the situation and the challenges that the people never face, we still have to come out and, you know, try to do what we can do. You understand? Because them say each one help one, you know.
True.
At the end of the day, so this is what we do. I will not do this feeling cloth or anything.
Yeah,
from the goodness of
our
heart.
You understand? True.
And we could end up the same situation because we are coming from all the way from Kingston. You understand? And we are here today, you understand, to make sure so the people them at least we can put a smile on them face.
Yes.
At the end of the day. So let's go and do what we can.
Right. They said the man. They said this. So we're out here in Mandel Foundation, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah man.
All about love, you see me?
See it there.
It's love and honor with help the people who need help, you know?
Alright.
You see me?
True.
So do what we can do.
True.
Help. Remember, love.
Alright, that is it. Heart of love cause the world short of love. Yeah, so we are walk down the community and now park up here, so well them actually go follow us with the cars. But we're here right now and we're heading down the road trying to find people. Yeah man.
Nana, take care.
Alright, that's what we do.
Mama. Yeah,
yes.
people outside.
That is it.
Yeah, mother get them again.
Yeah.
They them think them somebody over there. So go over.
Yeah, man, run the corner, you want to see how they are.
Come on, my friend. All our house are mashed up to you know.
Yeah, you see it? Whoa,
Come
people,
outside.
these people are going to need a lot of help. They're going to need a lot of help.
Hello?
I tell you, look at the environment we're in.
Look. Take your time and come. This man, come on. Alright, so guys, I first have a 1 foot. I try to see.
Whoa.
If we can make them get some my food things them as well.
I save them on and I for the
yeah man, I give him some food things. Get time and come pops. The roof mash up, look on the roof.
Whoa!
The whole of the roof.
Whoa, there's no roof. My God man. Jaja you people.
Yeah, so people who see what go on and just donate if they can donate.
Yeah.
You see me, anybody who know where I come down here and work and can donate to them.
Yeah man,
not
anything.
necessarily have to be me, but help out.
We're going to need some help in the people. You see what go on?
Give him something else.
Give him something else, man. Give him something else. When if you have no clothes in there, you have clothes and empty. When if you can find.
Yeah, we can find some clothes.
Yeah, so we can find. Oh, you have clothes. So we don't want, Jenna. You say you want zinc and certain things. So people, you might go want some zinc, you know. You might go need some. What your name, Ella? Delroy Campbell. And what is the name of this road?
Craigie Road.
Eh?
Craigie Road.
Craigie Road. Craigie Road.
Yeah.
Alright, so people as you can hear and see, you know, the elder, him roof gone, and remember, you know, a one leg him have, you know, so it's even more difficult for him. Him need some help, my people. See it there? Him one. Are you one day, my general?
If you have phone, you can just give the phone number.
Yeah. You have a phone number?
A team came to inspect the roof while we were there, and they were looking to see if it could be done on the same day. Hopefully they got the chance. If so, he's still going to need some assistance.
Alright, that's so
well,
good.
so now go on. Well, the place mash up, man. Place really mash up. Place really mash up, bro. Man, it's rough, man.
Yes,
I tell
yes,
you.
one lady up there. You can go up there. Somebody's supposed to out there.
Alright,
Yeah,
so
man,
take care of yourself,
you
yeah?
too.
Alright? Yeah, man. Oh, brother. It's not pretty. It's not pretty. Hey, that's why we have to glad, you know, because right now we go home, brother. We have a roof over our head. We have a bed. We have light. We have internet.
Look on these people. If you don't live on the ground for see it,
You wouldn't believe.
never believe. You wouldn't understand.
Yeah.
You understand? So
True.
this is what we're talking about. You cannot just sit down and believe all is well.
Yes.
You have to be on the ground to see exactly what the people are going through. People do not have a roof over their head. Nowhere to store anything to cook any food.
True.
Serious time, people.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Real thing. I show alone we see them thing, brother. You wouldn't, if somebody tell us that this that happened to Jamaica, you wouldn't believe them?
I believe them because it's like something we not expect.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's unexpected. You understand? And we just have to try to prepare as best as possible. But
yeah.
With a category 5 hurricane like this, you understand? We were just hoping for the best. Unfortunately, not everybody actually gets spared. So we just have to continue to do what we have to do and just try to clean up the mess as we go forward. We just can't give up. We just have to continue to do it. As you can see, we are in the hills walking on our feet because, you know, vehicles cannot traverse these areas. So we have to come in the pockets of the community and find the people who were badly impacted, and then we just have to do what we have to do and continue to support. Same way.
Well said, my brother. Well said. Give thanks for my blessing, yeah? And all the best, you know, because boy, I tell you, mama,
I
rough.
don't tell us, just can't see this still black. Are they two before it drop down?
Whoa.
Because the roof did gone on with it inside.
Whoa. Sorry for you that, man.
Yeah, man, me give thanks. Me appreciate
it. Yeah, man. Alright. Team there.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. We appreciate it very much. Very much. Very much.
Yeah, man. So take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And safe pan the gravel, you know? Yeah, man. Bless.
Yeah, man. Alright, mommy, take care. You're general. Blessings, alright? Rosie? The people, see it here. Charity work, Jamaicans who say ever, because you don't know your people overseas, you know. But I love to see the unity right now with the people, them, you know. This is what Jamaica need right through. You can manage to go through, Bill? This is what Jamaican people need right through.
What you're saying?
Yeah. Alright, you good? Oh. Look on the roof down there. This seems like a church. Oh, and you can see over there turn into a swampland. Jeez. Look at this. Whoa. These roofs are gone, people. These roofs are gone. Oh, close. So the team out again, up further in the community. As you can see, this place is badly damaged, my people, and is in need of urgent help. You know? Eh? No come here. Alright, see our community members say nobody not come up here, say, you know. Big district over there, nobody not come. No, Landswood. Alright, you hear that, Landswood? St. Elizabeth is in need of urgent help and care. Right now, emergency. You understand my people? So whosoever see this, please, you have to come up these side because these side are unattended. You understand? So many people up here haven't got any type of help until this day, my people. So please, we are asking you, please, come up these side. Don't just come and see on the main road. Find some of these communities and give these people some help. Yes, them really need it. No.
They are going to put in the works. The whole team there.
And this year we want to go there about 2 blocks.
So you have to go that way and go back round. So we don't get nothing around that.
Alright, we're going to do the right thing.
What's it? What do you think?
I'm devastated. Seeing it on the television, hearing people say what's happening here and seeing it for yourself, having experienced it, it's sad and just all type of mixed emotions.
Rough people, yeah. People, they on the work, same way, you know. On a jerk, we are jerk, you know. Work, we are work. Whole team out and about. Out in a St. Elizabeth. I try to make something happen, you know. Look around the place. There's a lot of help needed and it needed urgently, my people. So whoever seeing this, whatever you can donate, if it's even $10, please. Because right now it is needed. You know? There's total devastation. Don't watch 1 and 2 house, you might see with roof. Those are the exception. But the rest of the place, completely devastation. TJ gone up there, so gonna deliver a package to some elderly people up there. And Rosie going to do what she can right now. Why? Yo, it's rough, people. It's rough. Look at this, man. Yo, just look at this. This is not normal. Whoa, look at the roof. Roof. That's a huge hole now, my people.
So people, as you can see, we are navigating through bushes.
Right?
And we are continuing to do the work.
Alright, that is it.
Regardless of the many challenges.
Yeah.
These are the pockets of communities that persons were affected by the hurricane. But we, as a Mandel Foundation, we stand united regardless of the many challenges to come out here same way and put in the work. You understand, it's a group of us that come together to ensure that at the end of the day we play our part. And as I said before, it's not about clout, it's about doing it from the goodness of our heart.
True.
So that Jamaica can build back.
Alright, that is it. That is it, bro. Yeah, so up the road I was stopping again, people, to deliver some more packages. As you can see, the team is out and about working. Yes, man, no joke. We're doing it. So the team out, see the whole team here? Whole team. Yes, I team out. Alright, Mr. Commissar, we're not one of them thing there. Yeah. Look at me, sir.
Yeah. Genuine mistake, people.
Yeah.
People, I help people, you see me?
Alright.
Every time, you see me? St. Elizabeth, we promise we will come and send it and see we are next week. Montego Bay and Chilani people.
Alright.
Outside, donate, you can donate people. Reach out to me, you know my TikTok, one TJ, God bless image. Reach out people.
Alright, find him on TikTok, my people. You hear that? One TJ, God bless. No stress. Alright. Where you say, boss lady?
Out here.
Alright. Rosie, boss lady, what you say?
What we say?
Yeah.
We're doing it.
Alright, people. All fun and joke aside, look at this. Just look at this. This is no joke. This is no joke. If you can imagine how lush this was at one point now, and to wake up and see a community look like this, it's not a good feeling. It is not a good feeling. So right here, look here, this house is completely torn down and they're in the rebuilding process. And they have to say, Again, you have anything else you want to say?
Yeah, yo, no big up Kamal and no big up the whole team, you know.
Alright,
whole team there.
Whole team. Yeah, man.
The boss lady there too.
Alright, boss lady. Cool, man.
Support,
yes, I.
Everybody has support. Love the support.
Alright, yeah, man. One team, man, make the dream work, you know? Yeah, man. So it's set. Outside. Oh, so I thank the people. One of them can get water or discontinue. Oh. All Asian tank that in a people. Asian. So where they know back here now my people when they come that way. So stop again my people. Stop again if we free up the road. Because they can't see people, you know. It's not a good look. Place tear down. People them really in need of help, my people. Really in need of help. And you see these communities are not really getting any attention, you know. These communities are not really getting any attention. So really and truly they are going to need help. They are going to need it. Look at this, my people.
I mean, I tell you, say they haven't reached nowhere yet. This is not even the tip of the iceberg, I tell you. This is not even the tip of the iceberg. You don't want to go down a middle quarter, but you know them get whole heap of help down there and them places nobody really come up at them places. So have to come give look at elderly people them and baby them something up here so. But down in a middle quarter, down to Black River side, oh God man.
Problem.
Belmont and White House, Jesus Christ. Worse. The wicked down there, man, I tell you people. You see me? We need some donation. Mandel Foundation guys to support the thing. The sister would out there put in the work, real work. I want to do this for cloth. I want to do this for fame or anything. If I do it from my art, you see me? All over there. I do it from my art.
Yes, people. As you can see me, I lean up on the vehicle right now.
Tired.
Tired.
No, TJ. TJ, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well,
What you say?
I want to say, me are the youngest left out of my family. The hospital, I come out of.
Okay.
So you go on medical supply and them thing too?
My good way that is concerned.
Oh, so you want more food and to rebuild back your place?
Yes, man.
It here, people, roof gone. Just when you have a little slab right here, so this is where he's staying. But if you look, the entire roof gone, people. The entire roof gone. And look around. So he's going to need some help, my people. You know, he's really going to need some help. So he's going to need to rebuild and he's going to need food and supplies. You know? If we talk to make know where we're going, we can.
As me say, today me are the younger one. My sister, so she have gone up on the stone.
Oh.
So, and my niece and brother just passed and so next week they will come back for what?
Chaja, what you gonna do for now?
You know?
Chaja.
You don't know that.
Chaja, and then you can't move.
At the movement.
So what that road your name? What that road your name?
Well, we don't have no name on the road now, but this place is Bailey Ground.
Bailey Ground. So in Bailey Ground and you're?
I'm Barry Stephen.
Barry Stephen. So right now people is in urgent need of help. So whosoever watching this.
So if you want to help out this gentleman, he's living in a community called Bailey Ground in St. Elizabeth and his name is Barry Stephen. And if you want more information and to find him, a link will be placed in the description. Please feel free to reach out.
Bad. You know? So we need as much help.
I think some people coming behind, you know, they say they...
Oh, they might come fix it?
No, them go and put a tarpaulin over it for me.
Oh, that will look better than nothing still until it can.
Oh my God, man.
Yeah.
The only problem they say they don't sure if they're able to do it.
A regular people like we are coming and help out.
Yeah. Oh gosh, man, them things I'm getting from people.
People.
Some say, Jamaican people.
Lovely. True. See him here. I'm glad you see it, man. Glad you see it.
Alright, take care.
General. strength and protection, you know. And we are trying to see what we can do.
Yeah,
we not have much, you know, but we are trying to see what we can do. So we are going to try to reach out to anybody who would love to help you, yeah?
Yes, man.
So no mind you might see who come back down here. Because I tell you so right now, we fight for reach down here. Fight. Because we have our life with things that go on with the same way. You understand? But we can't sit down and watch we are going and not try to even do something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this out and ask for help for you. You hear me, General?
Yes,
so I not promise because I don't know what people are going to do. But I'm going to try, yeah? Yeah, man. Just cool, man. So take care of yourself. I love you know. Heart of love, because the world short of love. Yes. Take care of yourself. Strength here. Blessings, alright? Alright, up this one. Watch him.
Oh, my look out.
Oh gosh. Be careful, you know, Papa. Be careful up there, yeah?
You're good, man.
I regular him go up this way.
No, I'm just telling him you can go up the regular and just one day make a bad step. And I eat that and drop off and get there.
What am I do, beg?
Yes.
I got them to do for you?
Of course.
Yeah, so you want to see a last player coming right now, so keep them up on the street because the road dark. And so cool man and people from there that we stop, but we have some more things that we give them.
Oh God.
People in the darkness, they have to come by the front line and that beg.
Roads them this, you know. Roads them this. Drizzy them this, you know. Yeah, man.
And so we have the road energy of a ship.
Yes, Drizzy they now bro not up this one.
Oh, no, Drizzy can't walk on him foot, man.
We look like him, though.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, I know him.
Oh, that Mel? Oh, that Mel? Aye, go on. Fire! Blessings, cooler, man. Heart of love, you know. Love what I do, you know. Love what I do. Yeah, man, a good look. Yeah, man, that's how I say, man. I know, man. Heart of love, man.
Portland!
Yeah.
Making sure we're putting some smile on the people's face.
Yes. Which is right, which is right.
And all over, you know what I say?
Yeah, man, I just said that, man.
But you have health and strength.
True.
From the love and the kindness of our heart. You know what
True. Yeah, man, heart of love, because the world short of love. Blessings, heart of love. Alright, take care, go and do the good work, yeah? Yeah, blessings. From Portland, man.
Oh,
yes, blessings.
You can never stop and fly your drone too.
Oh, there, respect.
You have your drone and you're not using it.
But we're not going in, now.
No.
Yeah, we're not going to fly somewhere else.
So when we are to the Jeep, people with a wheel.
Yeah.
See me? That's all we need, no love in that.
Oh, God. Watch it. Food and water.
Nobody could live over this.
The water look active like sitting and living now. Jeez, think. Look it going way about this so. And look on the road you know.
Nobody can go down this road.
Nobody, the black off, look there beer water down the same way. A beer water down in the community. Yeah. A new river name for you.
Yeah, that me I tell you.
New river name for you. I think TJ supposed to traumatize a person, so most traumatized. Hey, Ella, know say even now.
You will be in charge of the road, Ella. You will be in charge of the road.
Straight, my good?
Yeah.
Yes, my general, give thanks. Alright? Look at the roof of that church. People gone. This church has been here for centuries. And Melissa came and took everything. Happy name? Yeah, you can get gas out here, so ATM working and all of that. You can get some food at the deli right there. You know which way you call out here, sir, bro? What is your name? Mid-Island, Mid-Island rest stop. These people, the amount of water they right you say, you know? I love this. Thank God. Whoever do this, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. See it there? Look there, all the way down there, so. Watch it, all the way there, so. Yeah, man, I love this. And look how the mountain green, Jesus.
Yeah, that side
they're green and pretty. Look here. Watch here. Them place are green. Them place are green, people. I'm pretty, watch ya. Watch ya. Beer stand, skelly and this, you know, people. And more farm, watch ya. So, we still have a chance with people. We still have a chance. So there are Treasure Beach side, seems like up that side is Treasure Beach. It's at the town, you know. Big Jamaican sign, so the seabirds. So we're heading this way, my people. Yeah, the mountain look dry, but it don't look that bad still. Big piece of sea rock in the road. Where it come from? Mappen.
Kamapen.
Kamapen.
You're the right to Junction.
Junction.
You're the right to Top Hill.
Alright.
You're the right to Southfield.
Alright. So
you go a flag man at Treasure Beach?
Treasure Beach you want to go?
Go on Black River and so?
Yeah.
Straight road.
Straight road. Alright, give thanks. Alright.
Hey man on that road.
Look on the road, people. Smooth and clean, and look on the environment. Clean and nice. Oh. Yeah, around here so good, man. Give thanks. Give thanks, you know.
Are you in my wait man?
Yeah.
People, man, tired of you. I'm tired for you stop and wait for you.
People we are trying to find Treasure Beach and it don't look pretty right you know. It looks sticky. Cause a beer round circle we are go right now.
Wrong turn.
And come like the TJ lost him GPS. Cause GPS now pick up out your stuff for him. I don't know where I go. Just watch and see right now. Hopefully we can find some people. But around this don't look like nothing go on. Them people not go on nothing.
No sir.
This one is so good.
I'm back on where my talk, where man are selling brother. I must say my God, this is my forgot.
The Treasure Beach Park?
I mean super type and moves.
Where I go?
Made it hurt.
You ask somebody.
Nobody stop and ask nobody else.
General, Treasure Beach are we here? Treasure Beach? Yeah. Alright, give thanks, blessing. Beautiful view, my people. And right now we lost again. We lost again. Pretty, look at this beautiful view. Yes, my people, as you see, we have some nice areas still existing now. Yeah man, beauty still in Jamaica. I know a lot of people been seeing all of the destruction, but here's a different side of Jamaica today, my people. Different side of Jamaica, this, you know? Yeah. Snow a blow. Eat!
Eat.
Eat!
Yes,
No, eat.
Hold on, turn that shit. You won't improve, man. You won't improve.
Judge God. I look him never catch a whole life, but just catch a local piece. Judge youth. Right now people, this is what I go on. Judge God.
Overeating.
Overeat. That man going for the same thing again, overeating. Where you go with brother? Overeating. The car is not overeating, brother. The car overeat. Wait, I see a thing. Road. Yes. Outside.
Why
Where
is
over there,
that? A light?
That man say, yeah. Oh, they won't stop the shine, so. Glass house over there, so, you know. Sun off, yeah, shine off on it. Take your time, sir. Take your time.
You Range Rover never see
Crash nearly gone. Hey, a beer accident on the road. Watch it. Yo, you ready? Yo. Come on, move, yeah, man. That's time for move.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never want to wait. Yeah. Go away. Look behind you now. Look through the back mirror. Look behind you. Because I chop man car, the bus man drive down on him. But people, this is it right now. Traffic. So if you're planning to come down here, just prepare for the traffic. Is it? Yeah man, I reach down here Shirley. You see it? No sir. People, if uno see which part of the traffic gone, oh God man, the traffic gone all the way around the bend. It's serious.
Keep your drive.
Watch man fling off him. The man, yeah, the man does fling off him to the hearted. Yeah. 2 vehicles. Holy 2 vehicles.
Watch out the pro box. Rotted.
This class of traffic, you know.
Yes.
Rotted. Look there. Cheese and peas.
This class of traffic, you know.
Yo.
Bomba.
You can see it?
Yeah.
On the camera?
I don't know, but me point it over there.
Right class of traffic, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, no rain up them side of people. But look ahead. Rain ahead. And here's so dry. This is how the rain been. Look at this. Yeah, rain at this spot now.